resisting the Spanish colonial government through his novels. The Book of Noli Me Tangere, written in Spanish, is a sweeping and passionate unmasking of the brutality and corruption of Spanish rule in the Philippines. The protagonist, Crisostomo Ibarra, exemplified the vision that Jose Rizal had aimed for the youth of the Philippines during his time, while others attribute Ibarra as Rizal's reflection of himself. Sisa is thought to have represented the motherland who was suffering as her character had suffered with the loss of her children, and the tragic events of her life represented the abuse that the motherland received from her colonizers. Maria Clara symbolizes the purity and innocence of a sheltered Filipino woman during the time of the Spanish occupation. And Padre Damaso, the main antagonist of the novel, symbolizes the Spanish friars of Rizal's time and is a comment on the Spanish control and overwhelming power over the Philippines.
rin, meron ding phone.
Meron din po.
Pero yung dire-diretso na yan.
Ay, hindi ba sila kasama?
Hindi po.
Ah, okay.
Sige po.
Hindi po siya kasama. Solo lang ni ma'am. Tabi na lang kayo kay Toro Sir Sal. Okay. Okay, what's up? What's up? Peace. Palestine. Bigger heart. Okay, Marites. Cebu. Ito na lang po yung video, ma'am.
Yan, recording na yan.
Oo nga. Pwede sa phone na din.
Hawakan ko na to.
Sige po.
Para may behind the
Sama
scene.
mo ako dyan sa...
May behind the scene ka.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2.
From Cebu, Kumana!